Hello everyone. The interface that you're seeing on the screen is our new stat frame generator. So yes, we are moving into parametric modeling now, and as you can see, the web interface, like, it is totally interactive with orbit controls. We can zoom in, zoom out, you can rotate, you can move the canvas. So like all these operations are allowable. And moving to the input parameters, we have three different types of parameters, starting from the building parameter, loads, and design parameter, out of which the building parameter is totally parametric, which means so changing the width of a building will change the model width in the real time. Similarly, the height and the slope. So for a demonstration case, let us take a width of 40 meter, height 12 meter, and slope 0.1. So this is going to be our frame, and I'm going to use a base spacing of 8.5. I'm going to leave the dead load as it is, live load as it is, and for collateral load 25 kg I'm considering. Next, I'm going to create 6 wind load cases and 2 seismic load cases. These design parameters are the unsupported length of near side column, far side column, near side rafter, and far side rafter. So for variation, I will have 5 for the near side column and 3 for the far side column. And that's it. We are all good. And by pressing this download STAAD model button, we directly download our STAAD model. That's all. So I'm copying this STAAD model and placing it over a new folder here. Let me open it. And yes, our STAAD model is ready. As you can see, we have a preliminary sizes, and moving to the loads, we have dead load, live load, and collateral load supply. And as we stated, like 6 wind load cases and 2 seismic load cases were created. Moving to the design parameters, so like entire design parameter is applied. So as you can see, the unsupported length being varied based on our input. So 3 for this one and 5 for the near side column. Yeah, that's it. So all you have to do is like just enter the wind load cases and seismic load cases and quickly generate a load combination. That's all. You have your 2D STAAD model ready for the first analysis. Hope this might be helpful, and I'm going to launch this on my website very soon. See you guys later.